Hey, welcome to this week's video. It is a fashion video with a retailer I have never featured on this platform in 10 plus years. I can't even believe it. I mean, I've shopped with them, but I don't know why I've never really gone out and done a full H&M haul. I really think as a brand, they have evolved into a beautiful, affordable, you can get trendy stuff, but what I really loved about what I found on H&M was that I was finding a lot of classic capsule wardrobe pieces. So I thought, okay, I haven't done a capsule wardrobe video, I think in forever. And I wanted to do it where it was affordable, where it was interchangeable. So you could take all of these different pieces and you could mix and match and get so many wonderful outfits out of it. So everything that I found at H&M, you can literally swap out with one another. This is a perfect wardrobe. If you do have some travel coming up and you want to be able to get as much as you can in the suitcase, actually, let me rephrase that. You want to get as little as you can in the suitcase because we need to save room for shopping when we're on a trip. But you want to get as many different outfits as you can with the outfits that you're bringing. The pieces, I would say, on the most affordable side, there's a blouse that'll blow your mind, 10 bucks. And on the pricier side is a beautiful trench coat, I believe, for $54.99. That is the max that was spent on everything that you're going to see in today's video. In some cases where maybe the same pants change out 3 different tops, that way you can get some ideas, a little compare and contrast, but I made sure in the tones that I chose, these were really classic tones, blacks, creams, white, beiges, grays, whatnot. You know, this is not about your royal blue or your red because it can be challenging and limiting. So I wanted to stick with some basic neutrals, but I did pop a little bit of color in there. And we're going to get started, I think, with just absolute essentials for wintertime, moving into springtime. Who doesn't love great denim and who doesn't love a great sweater? I went with a more monochromatic look here with the gray on gray. It's a gray fine knit cashmere cardigan, super soft, buttery cashmere. Actually, let me rephrase. I did say the most expensive item was 54 bucks. No, these cashmere sweaters that I'm going to feature are the most expensive, but they are the real deal. Real cashmere, round neckline, buttons at the front, ribbing at the neckline with cuffs and a hem. Amazing quality. Like I said, the softest cashmere, 159 bucks. For cashmere, that's pretty impressive. I got a size small. They run through extra small through large. And then I'm wearing them with their bleaker high-rise wide leg jeans in gray. These jeans, by the way, come in a lot of different colors if gray's not your jam. It's a 5-pocket jean in wash cotton denim, high waist, zip fly, and a button, straight wide legs. Now let me just say, no stretch in these jeans, so you may want to size up because they do tend to run on the smaller side if you want some comfy room. These jeans are $29.99. Now, one of the biggest trends of the season that I am so loving is scarves. Scarves are everywhere. This is a printed silk scarf. It's pretty monochromatic. It's basically an overall cream with that black piping around the outside. It's in buttery soft mulberry silk. It's a square 25 by 25 in case you're wondering the dimension. It's got a little writing on the bottom right side. And this scarf is $34.99. And I decided to pair it with a pair of shoes that I had, these metallic black and white kicks by Dolce Vita. Got them from Nordstrom Rack. In fact, all the shoes that I'm going to feature are from Nordstrom Rack. If I can provide a link, I will definitely do so in the description portion of the video. You, of course, will get links to everything from H&M there. And if, you know, they are sold out in a certain color, hopefully they will have in others. Just letting you know, I love that cardigan so stinking much. I got it in black. And that's what you see wrapped around my shoulders right now in black because, I mean, who doesn't love a wonderful, versatile cardigan? These are timeless pieces that will last you forever and ever. It's quality. I was kind of amazed that I didn't have cashmere cardigan button down, and I really like the fit of these. These are form-fitting. They're not overly baggy or loose, and it has a little bit more of that classic kind of Jackie O fit to it, which I really appreciate. So that's outfit number 1, and just showing you with the different sweaters. Number 2 Okay, this blouse I wore on Valentine's with my baby, and this blouse blew my mind just because of the price point. I couldn't believe it. So first, just take a look at it, okay, if you didn't know what it cost. It's off-white with stud detail. It's a loose fit blouse in crepe twill with silver colored studs at the collar and at the cuffs. Look at the detail. That high collar is nice and firm. It stands up with a low cut slit at the front, concealed zipper in the back, long sleeves with a pleat and cuffs. It tends to run large. I got it in a small, and I definitely had it altered because it was a little big for me. But I didn't care, because what did I pay for that blouse? $10.99. You would never know. This looks like a high-end designer blouse. It is stunning. And I'm wearing it with these belted dress pants in light beige. It's a twill pant, crease right up the front, high waist, zip fly with concealed hook and bar fastener, and a removable belt with D-rings. Diagonal side pockets, nice wide legs. These run true to size. I'm normally a 4. I got a 4. They are $29.99. And I'm wearing my Adrian Vittadini black kitten heel slingback pumps with a pearl buckle out front. Now, I just want to show you a variation of this outfit. I just changed out the top, put on one of my favorite sweaters of the winter season. It is a fine knit V-neck sweater in cream. Has this really loose, kind of slouchy look to it with drop shoulders and long sleeves, ribbing at the neckline and cuffs. It's a polyacrylic spandex wool blend. Mine is small. It does run big. It's $24.99. So it gives a very, very different look to the pants, kind of dresses it down. You could, definitely do that with a pair of sneakers if you wanted to, but all very, very comfortable. Again, interchangeable. You could, have worn that sweater with jeans. I can't tell you how much throughout the winter season. Love it. It's a keeper, feels great. And I just love the nice, off-white. Okay, so we're going to move on now to the next look. And it's the pants that I have on right now that you can't see. And I really, these pants remind me kind of the 1960s, Mary Tyler Moore, maybe. It is a slack and ankle length woven stretch fabric. Y'all, you gotta love the stretch. These are amazing. Regular waist, concealed elasticized waistband, zip fly with concealed hook and eye, side pockets, mock back pockets, and tapered legs. Super, super comfy, great stretch. However, I do recommend sizing up. I initially ordered these in 4, and I was like, wait, whoa, I can't even get them to hook around my waist. What is going on? Yeah, they run small. So I went up to a size 6, a little bit loose in the waist, but I'd rather have that and have it fit everywhere else. So I just belt it. And these guys are $19.99. And then I love vests. I'm so into them. They're so big this season. This is a cream suit vest in a woven fabric. It's got shaping darts at the front for a nice flattering silhouette. V-neck buttoned at the front. It is lined, regular length. I went with a size small. This does fit true to size, and it is $24.99. With it, beige pointed toe kitten heel slingbacks. These are by Naturalizer. Again, from Nordstrom Rack, you could walk for miles, miles, miles in these shoes. Okay, I mentioned at the beginning of the video, a coat. This trench, man, this is beautiful. I have like the regular tan color. I did not have a black. It's knee length. The collar has a concealed hook and eye that fastens at the front. Pockets, removable fabric belt at the waist. This coat is beautifully lined. You can take it, this is what I like to do, tie it in the back for an open coat look, but it cinches it in and it gives a nice waistline. This one, $54.99. I just checked, it looks to be sold out in black, but they've got plenty of options in beige for you. And maybe you can see also if they're going to get the black back, back in black. Also, what I did to keep the pants and create a totally different look, changed out that vest for a balloon sleeve blouse in cream and black. This is made in an airy woven fabric. I have worn this a ton in recent videos. Low collar with gathers, button placket at the front, long, voluminous raglan cut balloon sleeves, narrow cuff with a button. It's beautiful. I went with a size small, fits perfectly. This one is $19.99. $19.99, isn't that amazing? Paired it with these on-trend kind of kitten heel pointed toe booty, again with that low heel. You could walk for days. These are by Naked, and I think that's how you sell it. It's NA-KD. I found them on their website, so I'll try to look for them there, and if I find them, I will link them again. If I can't, I will find something similar for you, I promise. Now I said I was going to pop in a little bit of color. Here's where I'm going to do so, because the pant that I'm wearing next is a cream colored pant, but I just fell in love with this rust colored blouse. It's like a reddish brown, and the tie neck chiffon blouses also really, really in. Now this baby is sheer, I mean sheer. So I'm wearing kind of a nude color bandeau type of a bra, like a bralette that's strapless. It has a bow collar, V-shaped opening at the front, gathers there on the shoulders. Again, those beautiful long balloon sleeves with button at the cuffs. This is unlined, clearly. It's a size small for me, $24.99. And these pants are wide leg twill pants in light beige. It's a nice cotton twill, high waist, zip fly, button front and back pockets, straight wide legs. These do run on the small side and they run a little shoulder. My inseam that I tend to go with is a 32-33. I don't know what the inseam is on these, but it is a little shorter. Size 4 and $24.99. And I found these wonderful Kate Spade low heel pumps at Nordstrom. I swear, Nordstrom Rack, you guys, I score with shoes there. Really good quality. These just go beautifully with the blouse and the pant and all that. So here's how I changed it up. Popped in a real, just beautiful, sort of more evening looking blouse. And I just love the mixed medium, you know, where you do something that might be more elegant in evening, where it was something a little more casual. So this is a short balloon sleeve blouse made in a thick woven fabric. I wore this on a podcast. Just love this blouse. Round neckline, again, these big balloon sleeves. It is lined. I sized down on this one, went with an extra small. Leopard print, and it also comes in a light beige. This one's $54.99 for the one that I'm wearing. $44.99 for the one that comes in light beige. Paired it with the metallic sneakers that you saw earlier. Last but not least, I switched it out to a top that is a corset style, and it's in beige. It's what I'm actually wearing as I host this video. Fitted top in twill. It has narrow adjustable shoulder straps, scoop neck, and concealed zipper on the side, and it really seams it in. It's got these corset-like seams below the bust and at the front and back of the waist. It is tight fitted, lined at the top. It also comes in black. Y'all, this is just $9.99. And then I threw on my black cashmere cardigan over my shoulders to complete the look. And this way I can kind of transition from walking around during the daytime to, you know, night when it gets a little chilly outside. These are my H&M finds, and I have a feeling this will not be the last H&M haul you see on this channel. I've already been looking through, and they've got some beautiful summer dresses. So if you're wanting something that's a little bit more colorful and bright, and maybe that's your thing, you know, the price point is so good that if you're looking to stock up on a few dresses, $24, $34, $44 won't kill you. So maybe we do that. Maybe our next one will be some spring dresses, or you let me know. How about that? I'll check out in the comments section what you're looking for. If you would like to see more H&M styles, happy to oblige. If there are other retailers that you're interested in, please just kind of drop them in the comments below. Let me know what you're thinking, and I can start shopping for you. And also let me know if there are certain styles and things that you're interested in. If you like this, if you really like the classics, give me a thumbs up. Let me know I'm heading in the right direction for you. I aim to please. It's why I'm here. So thank you also for being here and for enjoying the content. I'm grateful for it. Looking forward to see what you have in me for future videos. You know, I like to mix it up. I mean, we do some fashion, we do some hair, we do some makeup, we do some lifestyle, and before you know it, we're putting the whole thing together, and we're enjoying life and enjoying the creative process. I mean, at least for me, that's what it's all about. Go out, be bold, be blessed. I'll see you next week. Ta-ta.